Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to use voice typing on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Messages app. Click on Messages app and you will see voice typing icon is not showing here. Go back and click on Settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Voice Input. And if you want to use voice typing, so select Google Voice Typing and Samsung Voice Input. After select Google Voice Typing, go back to home screen and click on Messages app, and voice typing icon is showing here, and you will use voice typing from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can use voice typing on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.